Recording
chapter
in progress.
is that the goodness in the man, the essential goodness in the man, can be awakened by kindness and sympathy and love. अगर अच्छा इंसान कोई बुरा बन जाता है तो उसकी बुराइयों को भी खत्म करने का ऐसा नहीं कि उसको सजा देकर ही हम सुधार सकते हैं. इवन विद काइंड डीड्स एंड एक्शन, अच्छे स्वभाव से हम उस बुरे इंसान की फितरत को भी बदल सकते हैं. दिस इज द थीम ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Once upon a time there was a poor vagabond. I'll summarize, then we'll go line by line. Vagabond is, what is vagabond, or who, what do you mean by this term vagabond? Common term है भैया. Vagabond, tramp, wanderer. Vagabond, tramp. डिक्शनरी चालू होगी. A person wandering without a settled home. हिंदी में what we know as बंजारा. A person moving out without a settled home. Nomad, tramp, vagabond. Yes, peddler. These are various terms used for one particular person. Rat trap seller. All these terms are related to the one character. So once upon a time there was a poor rat trap seller. He was a vagabond and he made his own rat traps and he sold it door to door. And it was such an unprofitable business for him that even for the raw materials, he had to beg at the farms and the stores. And for survival, he did petty thievery. छोटी मोटी चोरियां करता था अपना पेट भरने के लिए. In spite of all this, he was always in rags, sunken cheeks, bearded. He was tall, फटेहाल कपड़े, in rags, and the rat traps hanging on his chest. The world had given nothing good to him, so he also would think ill or bad about the world. दुनिया ने उसकी ऐसी तैसी करी थी तो वो भी दुनिया की ऐसी तैसी के बारे में सोचता था. One day he was just going on his regular round to sell rat traps, and his life had become monotonous for him, dull, boring, no friend, no one. So one day he was just going to sell the rat traps and he was just thinking about the world and the rat trap. दुनिया और अपने चूहे दाने के बारे में सोच रहा था. At the same time an idea struck his mind. A thought came into his mind. He just thought that the whole world with all its land and cities and villages is nothing but a big rat trap. उसके दिमाग में विचार है पूरी दुनिया एक मोह माया का जाल है. As the rat trap offers cheese and other baits to tempt the rat, similarly the world offers us many bait in the form of riches, wealth, luxury, food, shelter, clothing, aisho-aram. And when the human beings get tempted towards this bait, he also becomes a victim of the trap of the world. So दुनिया में बहुत सारी ललचाने की चीज है. जब इंसान लालच में फंसता है उस चुंगल में फंस के रह जाता है. Easier way to understand, shortcuts, easy gains, gambling for instance, very easy to get tempted to. but जब आदमी उसके चुंगल में फंसता है जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाती है. Bad habits, easy to get attracted to, difficult to come out. So this is the thought came into his mind. And now this became an entertaining thought for this person. Whenever he would get fed up, get bored, he would think about those persons whom he knew had become a victim of the rat trap of the world. वो उन लोगों के बारे में सोचता है जो दुनिया के जाल में फंस चुके थे. Now the incident is about the last week of December, just before Christmas in Sweden. Sweden, famous for its iron works. One nice day, this rat trap seller, he was out on his regular round. Now it was evening. Darkness had started descending. शाम हो गई थी, अंधेरा ढल छाना शुरू हो गया था. He had no house of his own. He was looking for a house for shelter. Suddenly he came across a cottage and he knocked at the door. To his surprise, the owner of the house welcomed him. Maybe on the other days, if you would ask for shelter, उसके हालत देखे सब भगा दे, हट भग भिखारी इधर से, उसको भगा दिया जाता था. But the owner of the house welcomed him. The owner of the house was an old man. He had no wife, no children. He himself was lonely. So he was delighted to have a nice company for the day. So the owner of the house, the old man, welcomed him. Not only did he welcome him, he acted as a good host. अच्छी मेहमान नवाजी करी उसने. He gave him porridge to eat. Then he gave him tobacco to smoke. Then he entertained him by playing a game of cards. After some time, this old man had some confidence in this guest of his. उसको थोड़ा भरोसा बैठ गया उस मेहमान के ऊपर. And he started talking about his earlier days. He told the red trap seller, the guest, that in his days of prosperity, old good days, मेरे अच्छे दिनों में, earlier days में, he just said, I worked as a crofter. Yes, I'll just erase this. He just told that I was a crofter at Ramzo Iron Works. You have to remember these terms. He told that I was a crofter at Ramzo Iron Works. Now, what is a crofter? Crofter is a synonym for farmer. A farmer works on fields, but a crofter works on iron mills. He is blacksmith by profession. He takes a land on rent, does his own work. So Ramzo Iron Work earlier was a huge plant. Various sections and slots were there. Those crofters would come, pay rent, to get all the tools over there. अपना काम करते थे, that is all. So this old man told that in his days of prosperity, he was a crofter at Ramzo Iron Works. But now because of his old age, he cannot do all this labor. ब्लैकस्मिथ ही होता है. ही एक्चुअली ब्लैकस्मिथ बात नौकरी नहीं करता है, खुद का जगह पे किराया लेके काम करता है, किराए पे जगह लेके काम करता है. यस, ही सामने से ब्लैकस्मिथ ओनली, लुहारी बोलेंगे उसको. So he told that now he cannot do this hard work. So he has a cow that supports his livelihood. It's an extraordinary cow and gives good quantity of milk. He sells the milk at the creamery, at the dairy farms, and earns his livelihood. And he says, last month I earned 30 kroners. Kroners is the Swedish currency. Still, kroner is today also is the Swedish currency. मतलब पिछले महीने मैंने 30 kroners बचा है. The old man, he just thought that this guest of his looks to be disbelieving, looks to be incredulous. उसको लगा कि इसको मेरी बात पे विश्वास नहीं बैठ रहा है. So to convince him, this old man went to the window, brought down a leather pouch, took out 3 10 kroner notes and showed him. देखा, ये है. And he kept the note inside. Good night. Both of them went to sleep. Next day, early morning, the crofter woke up. He had to go and milk the cow. The guest, the red trap seller, also woke up. Both of them left the house together. The crofter locked his house, kept the key in his pocket, and both of them went on their own way. Tata bye-bye, good night, खुदा हाफिज, फिर मिलेंगे बोल के अलग अलग अपने रास्ते पे चले गए. After half an hour, this red trap seller was standing in front of the house of the crofter. He did not try to break open the door and go inside. In fact, he went near the window, broke the glass pane, कांच का शीशा तोड़ा, खिड़की का कांच तोड़ा, took out the leather pouch, took out those 3 10 kroner notes, put it in his pocket, hung the leather pouch over there, and walked away from there. So you can just understand the mentality of this person. The person who gave him shelter, gave him food, उसी के घर उसने चोरी करी. So जिस थाली में खाना खाया, उस थाली को ही चुरा के ले गया वो तो. First, this person was walking on the public highway, but smart fellow thought he could be caught. So he took the way of the forest. जंगल का रास्ता उसने लिया. For the first couple of hours, he was feeling very glad at his smartness. अपनी शान पट्टी पे खुश हो रहा था that how easily I made 30 kronas in my pocket. But after some time, as the darkness started descending on the forest, अंधेरा छाना शुरू हो गया. He became scared, and his gloom and despair also increased. Gloom is sadness, despair is disappointment. वो दुखी हो गया और निराश हो गया. He wanted to come out of the forest as soon as possible. He was trying to walk in a particular direction to come out, but it was a dense, confusing forest. Many twists and turns were there, and he realized he is walking in the same part of the forest again and again. घूम घाम के वो इसी इलाके में आ रहे. He had lost his way. At the same time, his own thought that the whole world is a big rat trap came into his mind, and he realized today my turn has come. He was tempted by a bait and now has become a victim of the trap of the forest. And what was the bait which tempted him? This was the bait which had tempted him. और इसके लालच में आज वो जंगल के जाल में फंस गया है जहां से उसको निकलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. He was tired to death. It was raining as well, plus last week of December, chilled. He tried to lie down. Hopeless. Just thought my end has come. अब तो मैं गया. खुद भूखा प्यासा. उसने सोचा होगा जानवर भी भूखे प्यासे घूम रहे होंगे. अब उसका अंतिम समय आ गया. He tried to lie down. As soon as he put his head on the ground, he heard a familiar vibrational sound. The thumping sound. The sound of hammer being hit on some iron piece. लोहे पे जो हथौड़ा मारते के जो घनघनाट आती है वो आवाज उसने सुनी. He stood up, gathered his strength, stood up, and he realized that there will be some iron works nearby, and he staggered in the direction from where the sound was coming. वो लड़खड़ाते हुए उस जगह पे गया जहां से वो आवाज आ रही थी. And that place when he reached was Ramzo Iron Works, where the crofter used to work earlier. Ramzo Iron Works earlier was a big plant where many different crofters used to come and work, but it was now as good as closed down. And the owner of the iron works, he is the iron master. And this Ram's Iron Work earlier was a used plant, but now it was as good as closed down. And the owner, that is the iron master, had his own iron prepared in his iron works. And he used to come for regular inspection day and night. When this red trap seller reached the Ram's Iron Work, inside the iron works, a blacksmith, Malik nahi tha, uska aadmi, a blacksmith and his helper, they were doing the work. They were putting the charcoal in the furnace, uski awaaz. Plus it was raining. The rain was falling on the roof of the ironworks, uski awaaz. Outside there was a waterfall, uski awaaz. Because of all these noises, when the red trap seller pushed open the gate of the ironworks and entered inside, the blacksmith could not hear the sound of the opening of the gate. The red trap seller now was standing in front of the blacksmith. The blacksmith only glanced at him casually, indifferently. And this red trap seller asked permission to stay there for the night. It was nothing unusual for this blacksmith to see such vagabonds coming at this time of the day for shelter. उसके लिए कोई नई बात नहीं थी ये कि कोई भी अजनबी यहाँ पर आता था आराम के लिए. So without even giving him or looking at him properly, he just nodded, okay, चल रुक जा. Indifferently just told him to stay. The red trap seller adjusted himself near the furnace and put his head on his head and he went off to sleep. The iron master used to come day and night for his inspection. That night also he came for the roundly inspection. But as soon as he entered his ironworks, he did not behave in the way the blacksmith behaved, not looking at the person carefully. The iron master went close to this red trap seller who was sleeping looked over him very carefully, removed his hat, and the blacksmith thought that I know this person, and he termed this person with the name Niels Olof. Remember this name? So the blacksmith termed him, "Hey Niels Olof, how you do look? क्या हालत हो गई Niels Olof तेरी?" He termed this red tape seller with the name Niels Olof. The red tape seller woke up. He had never heard this name. He had never seen the Iron Master before. And he realized it is a case of mistaken identity. पहचानने में कुछ गलती हुई उससे. But he did not try to uncheat or undeceive the Iron Master. उसने उसकी गलती सुधारने के लिए कुछ बोला नहीं. इनफैक्ट ही ऑल्सो फ्लोट विद द टाइड. उसने भी सोचा चलो इसकी गलती है, मैं भी बहती गंगा में हाथ धो लेता हूं. बिकॉज ही जस्ट थॉट व्हाट विल ही टेक अवे फ्रॉम मी. In fact, out of my poverty-stricken condition, maybe he too will help me with some money. तो मैं पैसे की मदद ही कर देगा मेरा हालचाल देख के. तो he also continued और बोलता है, yes, things have gone downhill with me. भगवान जानता है, खुदा गवाह है, कितने बुरे दिन मेरे चल रहे हैं. The Iron Master told him, you should not have resigned from the regiment. Regiment is a small army. तो तुमको आर्मी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए थी. If I would still have been in the service, I would not have allowed to resign you. So what do we learn about the Iron Master? कौन था वो? Ex-army officer, and he recognized this person as Niels Olof, जो उसकी आर्मी में उसका नाम था. Remember these two names, Captain Von Steele. Two names of one person. तो उसने उस आदमी को पहचाना, उसके आदमी का कैप्टन वॉन स्टेल, whom he used to term as Niels Olof. Clear about these two names? We just told you should not have resigned from the regiment. If I would still have been in the service, I would not have let you resign. Whatever done is done. Now come along with me to my house. The red tape seller did not like this idea of going to the house of the Iron Master, that is the ex-army officer, and over there be welcomed like an officer. This thing did not suit him. And he just thought of the 30 kronas in his pocket. And he just thought that going to the house of the Iron Master is like going to the lion's den voluntarily. उसके घर जाना तो ऐसे जैसे अपनी मौत की गुफा में मैं खुद अपनी मर्जी से जा रहा. So he refused the invitation of the Iron Master. The Iron Master thought that this person is embarrassed because of his trim clothes. उसके फटे हालत के लिए वो शर्मिंदा महसूस कर रहा है. So he just told, don't think I have such a big house. My Elizabeth, his wife, my Elizabeth is no more. You must have heard. My boys are abroad. मेरे बेटे सब बाहर हैं. And on this Christmas time, I am staying with my oldest daughter, Ella Wilmanson. And we were just talking that we had nobody to celebrate the Christmas happiness. अब तुम आ गए हो, चलो मेरे संग मेरे घर. But the red tape seller said no. The Iron Master kept on inviting, but the red tape seller said no, no, and no. The Iron Master turned back from there, and he told this blacksmith that it looks my captain wants to stay with you and not with me. मेरा जो कैप्टन है वो तुम्हारे संग रुकना चाहता है यहाँ पर और मेरे घर पर नहीं. Seeing the Iron Master went away from there, and this red tape seller again went off to sleep. After half an hour, again a carriage came and stood outside the Ramzo Iron Works. It was not the Iron Master. He had sent his daughter, Edla Wilmanson. I read the name also. Is it there on the screen? He had sent his eldest daughter, Edla Wilmanson, with the hope that this girl will have a better persuasion power. What is persuasion? What is to persuade someone? बोलो. Manipulating नहीं. Persuade करना, मनाना. मनाना, है ना, to convince someone. So Edla comes over there. She saw the guest lying over there, and she came. And the blacksmith and the assistant, the helper जो था वो अपना काम कर रहे थे वहां पर, you know, the work was on. She came and she lifted the head. As soon as she lifted the head, the red trap seller woke up, opened his eyes, because he was used to sleeping with one eye open. Conscious sleep, a scared sleep, कच्ची नींद. चोर था, हमेशा डर रहता था पकड़े जाने का. So this is called sleeping with one eye open, not literally नींद में ऐसे आंख मारना, nothing as such. He woke up and he looked to be afraid. When Edla saw this, a thought came into her mind that either this person has stolen something or he has run away from prison. Edla, की two qualities. One, she has a good persuasion power. Secondly, she is a good judge of human behavior. उसके हाव भाव देख के उसको लगाया तो चोर है या जेल तोड़कर भाग गया. But this only came into her mind. She did not tell him anything. She just told him, I am so sorry, Captain. Things have gone bad with you. Whatever it is done now, please come and be our guest. And the girl also told him that we will let you go the way you have come here, freely. यदि तुम अपनी मर्जी से आओ, हम तुमको तुम्हारी मर्जी से जाने भी देंगे. But please be our guest till Christmas. The girl told this thing in such a friendly and a confident way that the red trap seller thought that no harm would come to him if he goes to the house. And he told the girl, I did not think that you take so much pains for me. मुझे नहीं पता था आप लोग मेरे लिए इतनी तकलीफ लोगे. Okay, I am willing to be your guest and come to your house. मैं तुम्हारे संग तुम्हारे घर चलने को तैयार हूँ. So this shows that Edla has a good persuasion power. And Edla will mention the girl had come along with a valet. Valet is a male attendant, a male servant. The servant was carrying a coat. He gave the coat to the red trap seller, and all three of them went towards the carriage. And the blacksmith who was working, he looked to be astonished, surprised as to what was there in this person. At first, the iron master came, then he sent his daughter to take this person home. When they are going towards the house of the Ramzos, the regret of the red trap seller started. He just thought, why did I steal that fellow's money? मैंने चोरी क्यों करी? Now I am in such a trap that it will be difficult for me to come out. They reached home. He went off to sleep. Next day was Christmas Eve. So what is the date? Christmas Eve. Christmas is 25th. Eve is always before it. New Year Eve कब मनाते हो? 1st January. अब बस simple, है ना? Next day was Christmas Eve. Morning time, father, that is Iron Master and Edla will mention, both are busy at the dining table. Both looked to be very glad and satisfied. The Iron Master was satisfied because unexpectedly he had met his regimental comrade. Comrade is colleague. And the girl was happy because on this festive occasion, there was somebody with whom they could share the happiness of the festival. The father told the girl, the daughter, that we'll have to do two things for this person. अपने मेहमान के लिए. First, we'll have to put some flesh on his bones. खिला पिला के थोड़ा मोटा ताजा करना पड़ेगा. Secondly, we'll have to find a work so that he does not go around selling red traps. The girl told, last night I could not see anything in him that showed that he is an educated man. मुझे तो कल रात को कहीं से भी पढ़ा लिखा इंसान नजर आया ही नहीं कि कहीं का ये कैप्टन होगा. The father told that last night he was embarrassed because of his tramp clothes. और उसके फटे हालत थे, उसलिए शर्मिंदगी हो रही थी. When he changes and comes back, you'll see some remarkable difference in him. At the same time, the door opened and in entered the transformed red trap seller. He was shaved, he was bathed, and he was wearing a nice suit given by the Iron Master and big shoes. So पूरा एकदम चकाचक हीरो बनकर अब वो आ गया था. So both Iron Master and Edla looked to be shocked and surprised to see this transformed person. Edla was surprised to see totally a different man, and the Iron Master looked to be surprised and shocked because now he realized his mistake. He understood that last night he had made a mistake in recognizing this person in that furnace light. But now in this broad daylight, there was no chance that the mistake would be repeated. उसको अपनी गलती का एहसास हो गया. So he just thundered, shouted, "What do you mean by this?" The red tape seller realized that the splendor has come to an end. Splendor is days. ऐसा नहीं कि उसकी बाइक चलने के पहले पंक्चर हो गई. Yes, उसके अच्छे दिन शुरू होने के पहले ही खत्म हो गए. He did not try to hide anything. He told the Iron Master that I told you I am a poor person. Let me be over here. But you only told me to come here. No harm is done till now. I'll change my clothes and I will go away. मैं अपने कपड़े बदल कर यहाँ से चला जाता हूँ. The Iron Master told, it's a not honest work you did. तुमने कोई ईमानदारी का काम, भला काम नहीं किया है. And don't be surprised if the sheriff, that is, officer maintaining law and order, police, comes into this matter. As soon as the Iron Master told him about the police officer, the sheriff, the red tape seller took a step forward and he told the Iron Master, look, I'll tell you how the world moves. And he came out with his own philosophy. He just told him the whole world is a big red trap. Today, I was tempted by a bait of some happiness and I have fallen into this trap. आज मैं खुश खुशियों के लालच के चक्कर में तुम्हारे घर पे आके फंस गया हूं. But if the sheriff arrests me, then remember Iron Master, one day you also will be tempted by a big bait from where you will not be able to come out. आज तो मैं फंस गया हूं, बस याद रखना ठाकुर, अगर पुलिस मुझे पकड़ लेगी तो तुम भी एक जाल में फंसोगे जहां से निकलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. The Iron Master started laughing. He said, not bad, but okay, we'll let the sheriff be alone on this festival, but get out of the house immediately. चल निकल मेरे घर से अभी. The Iron Master was the red tape seller was about to leave the house. At the same time, Edla came and she closed the door. She told the father, he is not going to go, he will stay here. वो नहीं जाएगा, वो यहीं रुकेगा. The father was shocked. What do you mean by this, Edla? Edla, क्या मतलब है तेरा इससे? Edla also felt embarrassed. Edla को भी शर्मिंदगी हुई. पापा बोल रहा है जा, वो बोल रही है रुक. पापा चिल्ला, क्या मतलब है, क्या मतलब है? But the girl has a good convincing power. She tells the father that this poor man wanders throughout the year without any peaceful stay of one day also. I would like to give one peaceful day in this life, in the whole year. पूरे साल में भटकता रहता है, एक दिन चैन अमन का मैं देना चाहती हूँ उसको इस साल में. The father was mumbling something, बड़बड़ कर रहा था. The girl added that we have promised him Christmas cheers, Christmas happiness. हमने उसको क्रिसमस की खुशियों का वादा किया है. And on this festival we should give him. Even though by mistake हमने किया उसको, but we should give. The father could not go against the wish of his father, of his daughter. When Edla Williamson saw that the father has agreed, she took the red tape seller, the guest, to the dining table and gave him breakfast. While having breakfast, the red tape seller kept on thinking, why is it or what is the reason that the girl interceded for him? Intercede is उसका पक्ष लेना, to take his side. After breakfast, there was no problem in the house of the Ramsos because this red tape seller did nothing but sleep. From breakfast till forenoon, he just slept at one stretch. Earlier, how he used to sleep? One eye open, scared sleep. But आज एक ही करवट पे चैन से खराटे मार के वो सो रहा था. At noon, he was woken up for lunch. He had his lunch, again went off to sleep. In the evening, he was again woken up when the Christmas trees were lighted. He wished happy Christmas and फिर सोने चला गया, again went off to sleep. At night, he was woken up again for dinner and he had to have dinner with everyone in the dining hall. After dinner, he came around wishing everyone good night and happy Christmas. When he came to Edla to wish good night and happy Christmas, the girl Edla told him that the suit which you are wearing is a Christmas gift to you. You need not return it. तो जो पापा का सूट है वो तुम्हारा गिफ्ट हुआ, वापस लौटाने की जरूरत नहीं है. And she also added that next Christmas also, if you want one peaceful stay, you can be our guest. तुम हमारे मेहमान बन के आ सकते हो अगले साल. The red tape seller could not understand as to why such goodness and kindness is being showered by this family. Went off to sleep. Next day was Christmas. So early morning, Iron Master and Edla Williamson, they went to the church for the Christmas services. The guest, Red Tape Seller, was still sound asleep. At 10 o'clock, when they were returning in the carriage, Edla Williamson's head was hung in shame. उसका चेहरा शर्म के मारे झुका हुआ था. Because at the church, they got the news that one of the crofters of the Ramsau ironwork has been stolen of 30 kroners by a man selling rat traps. This breaking news was out. The father got an upper hand. Father was scolding the girl. Okay, what a nice person you have given shelter in the house. I don't know how many silver spoons, that is, how many precious things will be left in the house by now. कितनी चीजें हमारे घर में बची होंगी वो भी नहीं पता. बहुत सही इंसान को तुमने अपने घर में शरण दी. Therefore, Edla's head was hung in shame. उसको शर्मिंदगी महसूस हो रही थी. When they reached home, the iron master asked the valet, the servant, about the guest. He also informed him that that man is a thief. चोर है वो आदमी है कि गया. The valet told that the man has gone, but he has not taken anything along with him. वो तो गया लेकिन कुछ लेकर नहीं गया है. On the contrary, he has left a gift packet for your daughter Edla Williamson. वो तो कुछ लेकर नहीं गया, उसके बजाय खाली हाथ गया है और सिर्फ एक गिफ्ट देकर गया है आपकी बेटी के. Edla took up that badly wrapped packet. As soon as he took the packet, she could view the content कि क्या है उसके. Inside the packet was a small red trap. Inside the red trap there was those 3 10 kroner notes. चोरी किए थे उसने. He returned back the money and there was a handwritten letter. Edla read that letter. The letter stated, "Respected and noble miss, the whole day long you treated me as a captain. You made me realize I am a captain. And in return, I want to behave as a captain in front of you." तुमने अच्छा बर्ताव किया, मुझको अच्छा इंसान होने का महसूस कराया और मैं भी एक अच्छे इंसान कैप्टन जैसे तुम्हारे संग बर्ताव करूंगा. I don't want you to embarrass you as a thief. So give this money to the crofter, to the old man who lives at the end of the road. And he also adds that your kind deeds gave me a power to clear myself up. And your kind deeds made a rat come out of the rat trap. तुम्हारे अच्छे बर्ताव ने मुझ जैसे चूहे को चूहेदानी से बाहर आने का मौका दिया, मेरे पाप धोने का मुझे मौका दिया. And he signs, and he just say with high regards, and he signs the letter as Captain Von Steele, because he wanted to show this girl that don't feel embarrassed. You treated me as a captain, and in return, I too have become a gentleman, a good person. So this is all about this chapter, how the essential goodness in a person can be awakened even by kindness and good deeds. अच्छे बर्ताव से भी बुरे आदमी के कर्मों में हम बदलाव लेकर आ सकते हैं. This is all about this chapter. Yes, we'll take this chapter line by line very quickly. I hope the summary is clear. Okay, Jay. Boss is back. So the Red Trap by Selma Lagerlof. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small red traps of wire. So this chapter is in the form of a story. I assume you all have the textbook. Textbook लाओ कैसे आए हो? Book है ना? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small red traps of wire. He made them himself at odd moments from the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. या तो भीख मांग के वो अपना काम चलाता था. But even so, the business was not especially profitable. So he had to resort to compelled, forced, jabardasti. He had to resort to both begging and petty thievery. Petty is small. ऐसा नहीं कि बैंक में डाका डालता था, छोटी मोटी चोरियां करता था. And petty thievery to keep body and soul together. To keep body and soul together is a phrase which means for सर्वाइवल. जिंदा रहने के लिए वो क्या करता था? भीख मांगता था और छोटी मोटी चोरियां भी करता था. Even so, his clothes were in rags, his cheeks were sunken, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. And always hunger stricken, the hunger would shine in his eyes. झलक आती थी भूख उसकी आंखों में हमेशा. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. Monotonous, dull, boring, repetitive life. Vagabond, a person who does not have a settled home. Wanderer, yes, nomad. To appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road, left to his own meditation. The meaning of this word, plod. I give a very easy meaning. Plod means trudge. A very simple meaning I'll give you. Plod means trudge, and trudge means trudge, and trudge means plod. So simple. समझ में आ गया मीनिंग? आ गया ऐसी के तैसे. Yes, so easy. Plod or trudge means walking in a tired way. Walking in a tired way is called as plod. Who plods along the road, left to his own meditation. हमेशा अपने ख्यालों में चलता रहता था. But one day, this man into a line of thought, which really seemed to him entertaining. One day he was just thinking, one thought linked to another came into his mind. He had naturally been thinking of his red traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its land and seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a big red trap. So this is a thought came into his mind. पूरी दुनिया एक जाल है. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. Bait is temptation. It offered riches and joys, shelter and food, heat and clothing, exactly as the red trap offered cheese and pork. So as the red trap offers cheese and pork for the rat, what does the word offer? Food, shelter, clothing, comfort, luxuries, everything. And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. So now this is the thought, the philosophical thought which came in the mind of the red trap seller. The world had, of course, never been very kind to him. So it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. Unwanted, see the spelling, it's O-N-T. Unwanted means unusual. दुनिया ने उसको कुछ अच्छा नहीं किया था, तो वो दुनिया की भी ऐसी तैसी करने के बारे में सोचता था. It became a cherished pastime of his. Cherished is enjoyable. अब उसको मजा आने लगा इस विचार के संग. During many dreary ploddings. To think of people, dreary is unhappy, boring. तो जब वो काम करते करते थक जाता था, he would just start thinking what? To think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare. Snare is the net or the trap. Who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare, and of others who were still circling around the bait. तो उन लोगों के बारे में सोचता जो जाल में फंस चुके थे दुनिया के मोह माया के या जाल में फंसने की कगार पे थे. One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, plodding, yes. As he was trudging along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. तो उसने दरवाजा खटखटाया और उसको अंदर के लिए बुलावा भी आ गया. Instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, sour is angry, simple angry faces or unhappy faces. Instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. So the owner of the house was lonely, alone in the house. Immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire and gave him supper. Porridge is oatmeal, something like dalia, you can take. Then he carved out such a big slice from the tobacco roll that it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. Then he gave him tobacco, Mar Sutta, and finally he got out an old pack of cards and played majolis with his guest until bedtime. So he entertained him by playing cards also. The old man was just as generous with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. So now that person ने अपनी दिलदारी दिखाई थी उसके खाना पिलाने में. Now दिल से उसने बात करना भी शुरू किया. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, his host had been a crofter at Ramsau Iron Works and had worked on the land. So now the old man started telling about his earlier days that he was a crofter. What is prosperity? Good days. Opposite of prosperity? One word. Antonym. काम आ सकते बाकी एग्जामों में. Prosperous conditions, that is favorable conditions, adverse condition. So prosperity is adversity. Adversity is the opposite. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, it was his cow which supported him. Yes, that bossy was extraordinary. Whom is this word bossy being termed to? Bossy word किसके लिए use हुआ? It is used for the cow. She could give milk for the creamery every day, and last month he had received all of 30 kroner in payment. So this is what the red tape seller was told by the crofter. The stranger must have seemed incredulous. Incredulous is doubtful, disbelieving. Crofter को लगा उसको शायद मेरी बात पर विश्वास नहीं बैठ रहा. For the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in the very window frame, and picked out 3 wrinkled 10 kroner bills. So just to convince that whatever the crofter is saying is correct, the crofter or the old man went and showed those 30 kroners. These he held up before his eyes of his guest, nodding knowingly. Nodding knowingly? Yeah. And then stuffed them back into the pouch. The next day, both men got up in good season. Good season is early morning. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. दोनों पहले वो सुबह उठा crofter, घर का मालिक. The guest also woke up. They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter locked the door, put the key in his pocket. The man with the red cap said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went his own way. Bye bye, जिंदगी मिले तो फिर मिलेंगे दोबारा, बोल के दोनों अपने अपने रास्ते पे चले गए. But half an hour later, the red trap peddler stood again before the door. He did not try to get in, however. He only went up to the window, smashed the pane. Smashed is broke. Pane is the glass of the window. Kaach toda, stuck in his hand and got hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. Thrust is pushed. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in his place and went away. Chalta bana वहां से. As he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. He realized, of course, that at first he dared not continue on the public highway, but must turn off the road into the woods. Smart person, experienced thief, he knew he should not walk on the main road, took the way of the forest. During the first hour, this caused him no difficulty. Later in the day, it became worse, for it was big, confusing forest which he had gotten into. शुरू में तो ठीक था, बाद में उसकी तकलीफें बढ़ गई. He tried, to be sure, to walk in a definite direction, but the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. There were many twists and turns, cuts, diversions in the forest. He walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood, and finally realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. All at once he recalled his thoughts about the world and the red trap. उसी क्षण his own thought that the world is a big red trap came into his mind. And now what was the red trap? This big, huge, dense forest was a trap for him. Now his own turn had come. He had let himself be fooled by a bait and now had been caught. The whole forest with its trunk and branches, its thickets and fallen logs. Thickets are the dense bushes, ghani jhadiyan. Logs are the trees, the wood. Its thickets and fallen logs closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. Impenetrable? Yes, impenetrable. Which you cannot pass through. Yes, जिसको हम भेद नहीं सकते, जिसको हम पार नहीं कर सकते. So just thought this whole forest with all its bushes and woods is now a trap from which it will be difficult for him to come out. It was late in December. Darkness was already descending over the forest. This increased the danger and increased also his gloom and despair. Gloom is sadness, despair is disappointment. उसका दुख और निराशा बढ़ गई और खतरा भी बढ़ने लगा. Finally, he saw no way out and he sank down on the ground, tired to death, thinking that his last moment had come. Realized that he'll not be able to come out alive from this forest. But just as he laid his head on the ground, he heard a sound, a hard, regular thumping. Thumping is the sound, metallic sound. There was no doubt as to what that was. He raised himself. Those are the hammer strokes from an iron mill, he thought. There must be people nearby. This sound was of iron being hit by some hammer. He summoned all his strength. Someone is collected, gathered, ikatha karna, got up and staggered in the direction of the sound. Staggered is to walk in an uncontrolled way. Ladkhadate hue. Trudging is to walking with in a tired way. And this is to walk in an uncontrolled way. Now, something about the description of the Ramzo Iron Works. The Ramzo Iron Works, which are now closed down, were not so long ago a large plant. That is, it was a big factory with smelter, rolling mill and forge. So अब ये बंद हो चुके हैं, as good as. First it was a big plant where many crofters used to come and do their own work. Like this old man, the crofter used to work, but this was now as good as closed down. In the summertime, long lines of heavily loaded barges and scows slid down the canal. Barges and scows. These are the big, huge containers which are there in the shape of a boat in which this liquid iron used to be transported into the lakes and the canals. the big containers. Loaded barges and scows lit down the canal, which led to the large inland lake. And in the winter time, the roads near the mill were black from all the coal dust which sifted down from the big charcoal crates. Crates are boxes. What is sift? S-I-F-T. It is not shift, it is sift. S-I-F-T. Sift is to get separated. Chhan ke nikalna. Why the road would become black? Because of the coal particles, because of the carbon. So this was how the Ramsar Iron Work used to function earlier. Now on that day, क्या हो रहा था? During one of the long dark evenings, just before Christmas, the master smith and his helper sat in the dark forge near the furnace, waiting for the pig iron. Pig iron is the raw iron, kacha iron, which had been put in the fire to be ready to put on the anvil. Anvil is that rectangular, flat surfaced block on which that liquid melted iron is put up to give the shape. That is called as anvil. Every now and then, one of them got up to stir the glowing mass with a long iron bar, returning in a few moments, dripping with perspiration. So, ek karke, so now one blacksmith was there, his helper was there. So they would go, they would just turn the things, furnace, and again come out pasine se latpat. Though, as was the custom, he wore nothing but a long shirt and a pair of wooden shoes. All the time there were many sounds to be heard in the forge. The big bellows groan. Groan is noise. Bellows are the big pipes. And the burning coal cracked. The fire boy shoveled charcoal into the maw of the furnace with a great deal of clatter. Clatter is noise. Maw is the opening or the mouth. And what is shoveled? निकालने वाला, डालने वाला, anything you can just say yes. जैसे बोलते हैं ना वो spade जैसा something. तो shovel यहाँ पे used as a verb. So with the shovel he was putting the coal inside the opening of the furnace. So the coal was melting, the iron was melting. उसकी आवाज, कोयले डालने की आवाज, plus it was raining also. Outside roared the waterfall, and a sharp north wind whipped the rain against the brick tiled roof. तो आसपास पूरी तरह से आवाज ही आवाज थे inside and outside the Ramsar Iron Work. It was probably on account of all this noise that the blacksmith did not notice that the man had opened the gate and entered the forge until he stood close up to the furnace. So because of all these noises, the blacksmith could not notice the guest or the red trap seller coming. But now he was standing just face to face. Surely, it was nothing unusual for poor vagabonds without any better shelter for the night to be attracted to the forge by the glow of light which escaped through the sooty panes and to come in to warm themselves in front of the fire. Sooty panes. What is soot? S-O-O-T. Pane is window. कोयले का काम होता था, आग का काम था. तो soot is that black carbon particles. Yes, that is the windows would become black. और जहां जहां थोड़ा सा गैप होता, ये फर्नेस की लाइट बाहर जाती थी, and people would get tempted and they would come over, they would get attracted to this place and they would come here for warmth and shelter. So this was nothing unusual for this for the blacksmith. The blacksmith glanced only casually and indifferently at the intruder. Intruder is coming uninvited, ajnabi. He looked the way people of his type usually did, with a long beard, dirty, ragged, and with a bunch of red traps dangling on his chest. तो बाकी ऐसे wanderers के जैसे वो दिख रहा था, भटका हुआ रागीर नजर आ रहा था. He asked permission to stay, and the master blacksmith nodded a haughty consent without honoring him with a single word. Haughty, arrogantly, consent, permission. So When this red tape fella asked for permission, उसने ऐसा अकड़ के बोल दिया चल रुक जा. But he did not look at him properly. The tramp did not say anything either. Tramp, vagabond, peddler, red tape seller, term for the same person. The tramp did not say anything either. He had not come there to talk, but only to warm himself and sleep. तो यहाँ पे वही दोस्ती करने बात करने नहीं आया था. He had only come for shelter, so he also went off to sleep. In those days, the Ramsau iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master. Prominent, a very particular person, whose greatest ambition was to ship out good iron to the market. उसकी इच्छा क्या थी? सबसे अच्छा आयरन उसके वहां से निकले. He worked both night and day to see that the work was done as well as possible. And at this very moment, he came into the forge on one of his nightly rounds of inspection. The same night he again came over there. Naturally, the first thing he saw was the tall ragamuffin who had eased his way so close to the furnace that steam rose from his wet rags. Ragamuffin is a person in rags. फटे हाल में जो होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं ragamuffin. The iron master did not follow the example of the blacksmith, who had hardly deigned to look at the stranger. When this person came earlier, वो blacksmith जो था उसने तो उसको परवाह भी नहीं. तो deigned is to bother. Iron master did not do the same way. He did not behave the way the blacksmith behaved. In fact, he walked close up to him, looked him over very carefully. ध्यान से देखा उसको. Then tore off his slouch hat. Tore is not यहाँ पे फाड़ देना, removed. Yes, and the slouch hat is a hat with a flexible edge. Different types of hats are there. Derby hat, slouch hat. तो उसने उसके जो head थी उसको हटाई to get a better view of his face. But of course it's you, Niels Olof, he said. How you do look? अरे तुम तो Niels Olof हो, कैसे दिख रहे हो? The man with the red tape had never before seen the iron master at Ramsau and did not even know what the name was. But it occurred to him that is a fine gentleman, thought he was an old acquaintance. He might perhaps throw him a couple of kroner. Acquaintance, जान पहचान वाला. वो समझ गया इसने पहचानने में धोखा किया है. पर बोलता है क्या फर्क पड़ता है, अगर ये मुझे अपना कोई पहचान वाला समझता है शायद मेरी गरीबी देख के कुछ मदद कर देगा. Therefore he did not want to undeceive him all at once. What is undeceive? What is deceive? Deceive is cheat, धोखा. वो समझ गया उसको धोखा हुआ है, पर उसने उसको धोखा तोड़ने की कोशिश नहीं करी. He did not try to uncheat him. He also continued, yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me, he said. बता भगवान जानता है कितने बुरे दिन मेरे चल रहे हैं. You should not have resigned from the regiment, said the iron master. That was the mistake. If only I had still been in the service at that time, it never would have happened. ये तुम्हारी गलती थी आर्मी छोड़ने की. अगर मैं उस समय भी वहां होता मैं तुमको रिजाइन करने नहीं देता. Well, now of course you will come home with me. चलो मेरे संग मेरे घर. To go along up to the manor house. Manor house actually is a farmhouse, big house. To go along up to the manor house and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. That, however, did not please the tramp. Comrade, colleague, साथी, regimental of the regiment, that is army. तो उसने सोचा कि घर का मालिक उसको एक आर्मी का कलीग समझ के व्यवहार करेगा. ये चीज उसको दिमाग में नहीं बैठी. No, I couldn't think of it, he said, looking quite alarmed. बोलता है मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता ये. Yes, he thought of the 30 kroners. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. What is voluntary? Forcefully or freely? Willingly. बोलते हैं आराम आशा के घर जाना तो ऐसा होगा जैसे मौत के मुंह में खुद अपनी मर्जी से जाना. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously as possible. Sneak away is दुबक के निकल जाना. Inconspicuously unnoticed. He had come here only for the shelter for the night. वो चुपचाप वो दबे पांव यहाँ से निकलने वाला था. The iron master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. iron master को लगा जिसको अपने फटे हालात के लिए उसको शर्मिंदगी हो रही है. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there, he said. Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard. My boys are abroad, and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter and myself. मेरी बीवी नहीं है, मेरे बेटे सब बाहर abroad है, and इस क्रिसमस के टाइम I am staying with my eldest daughter. We were just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for the Christmas. हम बात ही कर रहे थे कि कितना बुरा लग रहा है क्रिसमस के मौके पे अपने पास कोई नहीं है. Now come along with me and help me make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. चलो मेरे संग घर और क्रिसमस की खुशियां हम संग बांटते हैं. But the stranger said no and no and again no, and the iron master saw that he must give in. Give in is surrender. The iron master ने हार मान ली. वो इनवाइट करता गया, चल चल चल, तो उसने बोल दिया नहीं नहीं जा तू चल, मैं नहीं चलता. उसने उसको मना कर दी. It looks as though Captain Von's tail preferred to stay with you tonight, Johnstone, he said to the master blacksmith and turned on his heel. This Johnstone is the name of the blacksmith. तो blacksmith को बोलता है मेरा जो कैप्टन है, जिसको उसने क्या नाम से बुलाया था, नील सोलफ. But then looks at my Captain Von's tail wants to stay with you and not with me. But he laughed to himself as he went away, and the blacksmith, who knew him, understood very well that he had not said his last word. Blacksmith समझ गया मालिक के दिमाग में कुछ खुरापात है, कुछ करेगा. It was not more than half an hour before they heard the sound of carriage wheels outside the forge, and a new guest came in. But this time it was not the iron master. He had sent his daughter, apparently hoping that she would have better powers of persuasion than he himself. So Iron Master sent his daughter because he knew the girl will be able to convince him more nicely to be the guest. She entered followed by a valet. Valet is a male attendant and a male servant, carrying on his arm a big fur coat. She was not at all pretty, but seemed modest and quite shy. So Adla Wilma is not pretty, Sharmili type ki hai, and very humble, soft-spoken, modest. In the forge, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. The master blacksmith and his apprentice still sat on the bench, and the iron and charcoal still glowed in the furnace. So when this girl came, the blacksmith was still doing their work. What is apprentice? Apprentice. Helper, assistant. ये वर्ड हमने लास्ट लेसन में भी किया था, भूल गए? वहां भी एक ब्लैकस्मिथ था with his apprentice. The stranger had stretched himself out on the floor and lay with a piece of pig iron under his head, and his head pulled down over his eyes. So वो तो चैन से सो रहा था. As soon as the young girl caught sight of him, she went up and lifted his head. The man was evidently used to sleeping with one eye open. As soon as the girl lifted the head, this person woke up because he had a conscious sleep. डर की नींद सोता था. पिग आयरन ये वर्ड पहले भी आ गया था. रॉ आयरन, कच्चा आयरन. The man was evidently used to sleeping with one eye open. He jumped up abruptly and seemed to be quite frightened. My name is Edla Wilmanson, said the young girl. My father came home and said that you wanted to sleep here in the forge tonight, and then I asked permission to come and bring you home to us. पापा को लगा कि आप यही सोना चाहते हो, बट मैं तुमको अपने घर पे लेने आई हूँ. I am so sorry, Captain, that you are having such a hard time. Hard time? The difficult time. मुझे बहुत अफसोस है कि तुम्हारा इतना कठिन बुरा समय चल रहा है. She looked at him compassionately with her heavy eyes, and then she noticed that the man was afraid. Compassionately, in a very pitiable way. उसने काफी दयनीय तरीके से उसको देखा. किसको? रेड टेप सोलह को. Then she noticed this man was scared. Compassionate with her heavy eyes. Why this heavy eyes? क्या हो सकता है? Compassionately but heavy eyes. Heavy eyes. ये भारी भारी आंखें. ओहो. This girl, रात का बात है. The girl might be sleeping. Father must have woken up. सुबह जब आंख खुलते तो भारीपन नहीं लगते. आंख भारी भारी. So maybe sleepy, but she looked at him in a very pitiable way, and she noticed that the man was afraid. अच्छा, रात का टाइम था, नींद आ रही थी. Yes, Sundaram, correct. Heavy eyes. And the man, she noticed that the man was afraid. Either he has stolen something, or else he has escaped from jail, she thought. So these are the quick thoughts which came into the mind of the girl. This shows the girl Adela is a good judge of human behavior. उसके डर के हावभाव को देख के उसने सोचा या तो ये इसने चोरी की है या जेल से भागा हुआ है. And added quickly, you may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as freely as you came. Only, please, stay with us over Christmas Eve. एक चीज समझ लो, आप जैसे आए हो कैप्टन साहब, अपनी मर्जी से, वैसे हम आपको जाने भी देंगे, but please be our guest. She said this in such a friendly manner that the red trap peddler must have felt confidence in her. So the way of talking of this girl was totally different. Her friendly and the confident way made the peddler realize that मैं इनका मेहमान बन सकता हूँ. It would never have occurred to me that you would bother with me yourself, miss. मुझे नहीं पता था कि आप लोग मेरे लिए इतने तकलीफ लोगे. He said, I will come at once. तैयार हो गया जाने के लिए. He accepted the fur coat which the valet handed him with a deep bow, threw it over his legs, and followed the young lady out to the carriage without granting the astonished blacksmith so much as a glance. What is astonished? Shocked, surprised. The blacksmith who was working there was shocked, surprised. What is there in this beggarly looking person? First, the iron master comes, then he sends his daughter, and they are coming to welcome him. So he was shocked, but the valet or the servant, he did not look even at the blacksmith. But while he was riding up to the manor house, he had evil forebodings. Evil is bad. Forebodings, the events to happen later. आगे होने वाली घटनाएं. So when this red trap seller was now going towards the house of the Ramjos, वो सोचने लगा कि क्या आगे बुरी घटनाएं मेरे संग घट सकती है. What bad incident can happen? Yes. So his regret started. Why the devil did I take that fellow's money? He thought. मैंने क्यों उस आदमी के पैसे चुराए? Now I am sitting in that trap and will never get out of it. मैं अब ऐसे जाल में फंस गया हूं जैसे निकलना बहुत मुश्किल पड़ेगा. The next day was Christmas Eve, and when the iron master came into the dining room for breakfast, he probably thought with satisfaction of his old regimental comrade, whom he had run across so unexpectedly. Run across? What did he run across? अचानक आ जाना. To meet. Regimental comrade. Comrade is colleague. So the iron master looked to be satisfied that how unexpectedly, बिना सोचे ही उसको अपना एक आर्मी का पुराना साथी मिल गया था. First of all, we must see to it that he gets a little flesh on his bones, he said to his daughter, who was busy at the table. So both iron master and the girl that he had mentioned were busy at the dining table making arrangement for the breakfast of the guest. So the father tells that we'll have to put some flesh on his bones. That is खिला पिला के उसको मोटा ताजा करेंगे. And then we must see that he gets something else to do than to run around the country selling rat traps. और हमको उसके लिए एक और काम ढूंढना पड़ेगा ताकि ये दर बदर के ठोकर ना खावे रेड ट्रैप बेचते हुए. It is clear that things have gone downhill with him as badly as death, said the daughter. Clear is strange. मतलब कितनी अजीब बात है. Things have gone downhill. What is downhill? Things have deteriorated. बदतर होना. मतलब कितनी अजीब बात है कि इतने बदतर दिन आ गए इस इंसान के. It is clear that things have gone downhill with him. As badly as that, said the daughter. Last night I did not think there was anything about him to show that he had once been an educated man. The girl, again this shows she's a good judge of human behavior. स्टडी अच्छी थी उसकी. बोलते कल रात को तो मुझे कहीं से भी ये पढ़ा लिखा इंसान, कैप्टन जैसा पढ़ा लिखा इंसान लगा ही नहीं. You must have patience, my little girl, said the father. As soon as he gets clean and dressed up, you will see something different. Last night, he was naturally embarrassed. The tramp manners will fall away from him with the tramp clothes. But Betty, have patience. Last night, he was embarrassed because of his wrecked condition. उसका behavior भी वैसा हो गया था. But when he is clean, washed, changes his clothes, you will see remarkable and transformed changes in this person. So what happened later with the rat trap seller? Was he entertained nicely by the girl? How did he react to the captain and Edla will mention? This will continue in the next class tomorrow in the evening. So this is all for day 1 where this chapter is concerned. Thank you all. Do you have one more class or through? Oh, tramp is vagabond, Sundaram. I told you initially, tramp, vagabond, rat trap seller, peddler. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your evening, all of you. Thank you all.